Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how we can create a Pew Prime account. So what we're gonna do is we search for Pew Prime and then we search for create account, search for that, and then from here start trading with Pew Prime. Then from here we click on sign up, and then right now we need to fill in everything right here. So let's say we are from the Netherlands, fill in my details. I need to blur it a little bit because otherwise you guys have too much information. Fill in my phone number and set a password. Select I'm not a resident of the US and then we do sign up. Then right now it says thanks for signing up for Pew Prime, and now we need to wait for 3 seconds. Then right now make sure that you finish the account opening verification, so we will do that again. Now we want to recommend the MetaTrader 5. Let's say we want a standard account. Currency USD. Enter a nickname, Tommy. Then we ticking this box. Then we do next. And boom, there it is. We have now a Pew Prime account. So this is literally how easy it is. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.